Hi everybody. Having a hard time getting the GoPro hooked up to the phone. I don't know why, but got it hooked up. So let's see what we got here. Today I'm going to show the opening of the Ryobi 1 Plus vacuum cleaner. They say it's for cars, or can be used for cars. 18-volt. Universal nozzle, easy to empty, 3-year warranty. And there's some of the other stuff that, if you want to read it, you can. This is in a different language. But it doesn't come with the nozzles, so they recommended this here because I'm going to be using it to clean my car. I'm not going to open it, but that's what they said at the store, that I should be using these, which looks like it'd be good for getting in between the cracks and everything, so that's good. Well, let's open it up and see what we got. Haven't opened this one up yet. Oh, there's the charger end. Wow, that looks pretty awesome. I hope it works good. I had a Ryobi weed trimmer, edger, and it seemed to work pretty well. But as the years go by, I went and got a better one. Okay, here's the charger. Or no, this right here is the battery. 18-volt. Here's the charger. Let me just rip it out of there. Hopefully I don't break anything. Box. This here, nothing in there. And the instructions. But that's what we got. So it feels pretty hefty, so that's pretty good for Ryobi, because my weed eater didn't seem too hefty. But I wanted to get one of those Ego ones, which is really good because the battery lasts a long time. But that's not what this story's about, but that's the way it goes. Thanks for watching.